Alright, so reproving the lie in this video, the lie that everything changes will be reproved. So I'm going to start off by saying that the lie is that everything changes. Obviously things change because you look at this water level, for example. This is the Ohio River. We're here in Evansville, and this is the Ohio River. Now, the water level is usually never that high. Well, I mean, what am I talking about? Well, it gets this high a lot, but it changes is the point. The water level gets high, and it comes over the edge here, and then it goes back down. So that changes. We change because we get old. So yeah, the sky changes because there's it turns from light to dark, and the way the sky looks changes just because there's sometimes you can see the stars in the sky at night, sometimes you can't, and so on and so forth. There are a lot of things that do change that we see. But here's the thing, though. Here's the problem. If you go to Malachi 3:6, it says, I am, did I see the Bible real quick? Just keep hold on these papers, though. Malachi 3, chapter 3, verse 6. Malachi chapter 3, verse 6. Alright, so if you go to 3, verse 6, it says, For I am the Lord, and there's verses before this. Here, go ahead and show some of this. See, there's verse 6, and then you go upwards, and then I'll show you, just kind of get a view of all of the rest, the stuff that's before that in chapter 3. Good? Good? Alright, so, but in verse 6 there, it says, For I am the Lord. Now here's the part you need to pay attention to. I changed not. Therefore ye sons of Jacob are not consumed. Speaking of the sons of Jacob are not consumed. That's one scripture to show that everything changes is a lie. Not everything changes. God does not change. And another scripture for this is, let's see, Hebrews 13:8. We'll go there now. Hebrews 13:8. Hebrews 13, verse 8. Here, go ahead and get show some of this stuff. So what's the context here? Make sure the light's on it. Right here. And verse 8. Just some of the stuff around it. You got it? You got it? Okay. But here in verse 8, it says, Jesus Christ, the same yesterday, today, and forever. Notice, Jesus Christ, the same yesterday, today, and forever. That's Hebrews chapter 13, verse 8. And so, not everything changes, as you can see. Look at those scriptures for yourself in the King James Version.